कि khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Uba Alexander Elhek upalong MLA Jong ka BJP pada menteri ke Sarkar Jelau la Ïaroh ya karai bala shim da kibor bahalor Jong ka parti na Delhi ban Thung Rikman Momin kum state president Jong ka BJP Meghalaya State Unit. Hak jing keren bigilap thai kibor ba Elhek ulong ba kam shim ladan kanu ke jing le silian khmat yano Henry da ka jing bujili ya ka shuki president kalong baik hadian ba ka samoy trekam Jong ba Ernest Mauri kum president kalakut.
It is overdue long back to have the new president in the state of Meghalaya. The party has taken right decisions by appointing the new state president. Mr. Rikman G. Momin is a very old party worker in the state of Meghalaya, the state leader for BJP. He has contested one also as a MP from the Tura parliamentary constituency and also was holding the National Council member of the BJP for the last 2 years to 2.5 years. So he is deserving to be the state president of Meghalaya. There is no other reasons. It's completely overdue. It's a right time. My name, it came out in the previous term also, but the thing is in BJP they are maintaining one man, one post. So we have to follow the constitutions of the party. Obviously, BJP is not working for the elections only during the elections. They are working throughout. It's an established party and a party which has been working throughout the day, throughout, from day to week to month to year, to ensure that for preparation for any, not only election, for any party organizations also. Nations of any BJP members, nothing to do. It's a purely as a timing and also as overdue, as I said before, it's a long overdue to have the new president of the BJP in the state of Meghalaya. And once again, I reiterated with you, there's just nothing to do with the resignations of any members of the BJP. See, if you are the leader, all the leader, you will see a lot of complaints against. Why you see the complaints? Tell me. The complaint is a part of the work system. It's a routine matter. Yeah? Somebody, they complain me also. They are not doing this, not doing that. No, that is a part of life. No. This has nothing to do with the complaining of anybody. It's a time, right time, and it's a overdue to change the state president. To everybody who are happy or not happy, the party has taken a very right decision, the National Party. So make it happy to everybody is not possible to anything, anywhere. Even in a small family also, it is very difficult to make happy to everybody. So forget to make happy in that state.